I threw a wish in the well. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I looked to you as it fell, and now you're in my way. I trade my soul for a wish, pennies and dimes for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way. Your stare was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing. Hot night, wind was blowing. Where do you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at you, baby. But here's my number, so call me maybe. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. And all the other boys try to chase me, but here's my number, so call me maybe. You took your time with the call, I took no time with the fall. You gave me nothing at all, but still you're in my way. I beg and borrow and steal at first sight, and it's real. I didn't know I would feel it, but it's in my way. Your stare was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing. Hot night, wind was blowing. Where do you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at you, baby. But here's my number, so call me maybe. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. And all the other boys try to chase me, but here's my number, so call me maybe. Boy, you came into my life, I missed you so bad. I missed you so bad. I missed you so, so bad. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. And you should know that I missed you so, so bad. It's hard to look right at you, baby. But here's my number, so call me maybe. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. And all the other boys try to chase me, but here's my number, so call me maybe. Boy, you came into my life, I missed you so bad. I missed you so bad. I missed you so, so bad. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. And you should know that, so call me maybe.
Let's learn Call Me Baby. It's choreographed by John Robinson. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with a restart on wall 4 after 24 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the restart, then go through and dance 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Call Me Baby. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to walk forward, right, left, right. We're now going to do a modified Charleston step, placing your left heel forward, step your left next to your right, touch back with your right, step your right next to your left, and then place your left heel forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to walk back, left, right, left, and then we're going to do a modified Charleston step, touching your right toe back, step your right next to your left, place your left heel forward, step your left next to your right, and then touch your right toe back. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just put our left heel forward, walking back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to step our right foot to the right side, and as you step, you can shimmy or shake your hips or have a little bit of fun with this section. So we're going to step to the right and you're going to shimmy, and then you're going to step together with your left and hold. We're now going to repeat that, step to the right and shimmy, step your left next to your right and hold. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a V step. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal, step your left foot into the left diagonal, step your right foot back center, step your left next to your right. We're now going to do 2 8th pivots, turning over our left shoulder. Step forward with your right foot, make that 8th pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 10:30, and then do that again, stepping with your right. Do your 8th pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. Now, if you would like on those pivots, you can add hip rolls. So when you step with your right, you're going to push that hip to the left and then roll it around as you pivot, and then put your weight back onto your left foot, and then do that again, roll and put your weight back. That choice is yours. So let's try it with some counts, doing your V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your walk. So it's walk, 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 heel, back, back, touch, step, heel, walk, back, 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 touch, back, step, forward, heel, step, back, touch, back. Side shimmy, together, hold, side shimmy, together, hold, V step, out, out, in, step 8th pivot, step 8th pivot to face 9 o'clock. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart. It happens one time and one time only on wall 4. You're going to dance up to 24 counts, which are your shimmies and step togethers traveling to the right. So let's dance up to that part. Weight is on your left. You're doing your walk. So it's walk with a heel, step back, touch back, step forward, do a heel, walk back, 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 touch back, step forward, do a heel, step back, touch back, side shimmy, together, side shimmy, together. Right here, you're going to restart doing your walk with your modified Charleston step. After that, you don't have to worry about anything until the song ends. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your walk. So it's walk with your modified Charleston step. Walk back with your modified Charleston step. Step side to the shimmy. Step together. Step side shimmy. Together, V step. Out, out, in. Step 8th pivot, step 8th pivot. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk with your modified Charleston. Walk back with your modified Charleston. Now step to the side and shimmy together. Side shimmy, together, V step, out, out, in, your 2 pivots. Now 24 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Restart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Call Me Baby. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.